Here we go, folks. SMF MMT traders. Dow's down 207 points right now. Here are the stats. 208. Big haircut on the NASDAQ comp. Big haircut on the S&P 500. Big haircut on the weekly charts. This is definitely how tops start to get put in. And basically, by looking at what I am seeing here, I've got the 200-week moving average on this weekly chart, and it's not going through it. And basically, this is how reversals start. You got support down here at all of these other key weekly moving averages, 1100 right in here. But the thing about it is, there's a lot of news, and they're selling hard into that closing bell. The biggest put options today, here's the total volume. MMTs on the 1170 put. That's this highlighted line right here. Look at the total volume today, 2161 on the 1170 put. Look at that record high buying at the 1175 put option, which is at $33.30. They have a record 10,540 contracts on the 1175 put, but they're coming back. They're buying 11,000 of the S&P 1175 call, and a record whopping up and out of the money on the S&P 500 on the 1200 call. There's 20,000 contracts traded, 2 times the amount. People still think that the rally is going to go big time and that there's a lot of room to the upside. What I can tell the MMTs is that we're going to be taking a look at this volume count. We're looking at that 1175 put, meaning that if this is a weekly short-term reversal back to support down here, we're definitely going to be all over that trade. So basically, we're going to be looking at some of the bears, some of the bulls, but more importantly is the bear funds. It's too early to tell people, but I can tell you right now, we got 30 minutes going into the closing bell. The Dow continues to sell off. Here it is, 223 points down. The S&P broke below that key level of 1160. Just remember, what used to be resistance for 9 days at 1150 is going to ultimately be that support level. We've got things like Yahoo and ISRG coming out after the closing bell in 30 minutes. This is the record high buying on the call side, up and out of the money. And then again, my friends, let's not forget the 11,000 calls here at the 1175. And we got a full-fledged reversal. We're going to be looking at that volatility. We're going to take a look at the morning after of this nice haircut that these bulls are taking. And are they ever taking a haircut? Because they are. So we'll update all of the SMF MMT traders worldwide, our foreign traders that are here, our U.S. traders that are here, and every trader that is an MMT, so they know how to position themselves. You can take a look over here at the 1150 put. It's up today. The net change is 64.29%, with 6,300 contracts trading at the 1150, which is 10 handles below. I will see all MMTs in after hours trading. It's time to rumble.